What's up guys, my name is Alvin and I'm doing this video because konti lang ang mga BRV reviews, honest reviews by an owner sa YouTube. So first thing, what I like about this car, una yung Honda Sensing, unang-una, because it's safety. And yung curtain airbag, side airbags with its price point is sulit na siya. Then plus yung mga collision mitigation controls, yung mga nakikita nyo ganyan. Yan. Actually pinag-aaralan ko pa siya and it's pretty new to me except for the cruise control since Honda BRV is having a adaptive cruise control. So before I have a meron akong CT and CT 2019 GM6 VX. So may cruise control siya but not adaptive. So yun yung pinagkaibahan ng cruise control ng Honda. So adaptive meaning ina-adapt niya yung speed nung nasa harapan mo when cruise control is engaged. And yeah, it pretty much is a safety features when using cruise control kasi pag nung nasa CT yung cruise control nun is bahala ka na basta 60, takbong 60, 70, 80 kahit naka-stop na yung harapan mo yun pa rin takbo mo. So kung nakaligtaan mong ipreno yun or masyadong nasiyahan, aksidente talaga abutin mo. Not like this one. Sobrang ano niya. Actually, sobrang ingat niya. Mas maingat pa siya sa owner sa totoo lang. Ayun. And what else? Yung engine, dual overhead cam na po siya. 1.5 engine having a 121 horsepower. And I'm 5'11", yun pala, ito pala yung feature na gusto ko sa BRV. I'm 5'11", I'm sitting with the 5'11 sitting position. Yan, 5'11". So, itong upuan ko na naka-adjust for a 5'11 height. Pag umupo ka sa likod, maluwag pa rin. I mean, second row maluwag. Tapos, 5'11 height din, of course, yung upo mo dun sa likod. And on the third row is okay pa siya. Kasya ako sa 5'11 height. Not like I've ridden Fortuners. Sobrang sikip, sobrang ano. So this one is literally 7-seater comfort. Tama ang reviews ng mga nakita nyong mga YouTube vloggers. So yeah, what else? Malamig ang aircon, of course, bago pa. Nakuha ko lang to, today is June 28. Nakuha ko lang to 3 days ago. So pretty much happy with this car. Wag na tayong maghanap ng CRV level. Kaya nga BRV kinuha natin is sapat na siya, kumbaga. Yung Honda Sensing, yung mga curtain airbags, side airbags, kung liliko ka, lalabas din yung video dito. I'll give you one example for this one. Wait lang diretso lang kasi tayo So for example, mag-right ka, look, lalabas siya. Turn signal right, off. Yun. Then what else? Infotainment, speakers, I believe tinignan ko yung features na itong infotainment. It's Alpine brand. I believe yung speakers is the same, Alpine. Okay naman siya. And ano pa ba? Yun lang, basically an upgrade with the price point of 1.4, close to 1.4 since this is an opal white pearl colorway. And pero yung mga base variant I think 1.1, but no Honda Sensing. But with Honda Sensing it's 1.390 I believe. And okay siya actually. It's an investment for the safety of your passengers, for your family. Since ako may baby ako, so una ko talaga inisip curtain airbags. Ayun, before Honda Sensing. Honda Sensing is para sa atin yan, mga drivers, is na-enjoy natin yan. But for the passenger, yung mga kasama mo, yun, airbags, sensing, yun, responsive din yung makina. And fuel efficient ba? Currently running around 6.6 kilometers per liter. Hindi ko pa siya masyadong nababiyahe or nabe-break in ng ano yun, ng todo since bago pa naman siya. So we'll see kung mag-i-improve. So nag-start ako niyan, average fuel consumption is 4. Paglabas ng kasa, ayan, umakit na 5, 6. We'll see kung aabot siya ng 10. Ayun, yun lang guys. And feel free to message me. Hindi naman ako vlogger, but I just want to share yung mga nagka-canvas dyan. Kasi ako, hirap ako makahanap ng mga honest reviews. And may mga ibang reviews is, I mean, mali-mali. But yeah, yun lang guys. Thank you. Bye.